Iowa blizzard warning. I'm actually going to show this.
This is a blizzard warning for the following counties in Iowa, Polk, and Warren. Blizzard warning in effect from midnight tonight to 6 p.m. Friday. Blizzard conditions expected. Total snow accumulations of 4 to 6 inches. Winds gusting as high as 35 miles per hour. The areas affected include central Iowa. When, from midnight tonight to 6 p.m. Friday. The following impacts are expected. Travel could be very difficult, if not impossible at times, with blowing snow significantly reducing visibility. The hazardous conditions will impact the Friday morning and evening commutes. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511.